Welcome to this BluHorn video on the grid system for editing your worksheet. Our grid system for editing, making edits to your line items in broadcast television, cable television, and radio worksheets is available under the Edit Worksheet icon in any of these worksheet types. For this example, we'll be using a broadcast television worksheet. To access the grid system, which is similar to the pop-up when you import an avail, allowing dragging and drop simple changes, you click the blue Edit Worksheet button. After waiting for your information to populate, scroll down past your rep selections to Use Grid Layout. Toggle this from No to Yes and click Save Changes. This will change your worksheet layout from the standard line items to more of an Excel format, cell by cell worksheet. You can see now that each cell is now clickable for each type. You can make quick changes in this format. Click on any cell. For instance, if I wanted to make Saturdays go across all of these columns, you drag and drop from the small blue box in the lower right-hand corner. When you've reached the end point of where you'd like to drop, release your cursor mouse and the information will populate. The same for unchecking dates. If you decide you don't want to buy Monday, you may uncheck Monday, click the lower corner blue dot, hold down the mouse button, drag these changes to as many or as few columns as you choose, and then release. This is also available to change vendor name to any that you have available on your worksheet. And again, dragging across can be done. This also allows for you to make quick changes to the amount of spots that you buy across the number of weeks. You can click on any cell, change the information, and then easily drag that change across to all remaining weeks of the worksheet, or just a few. When you release the button, again, the changes take place. You can see this is available for all lines in the worksheet, and you no longer click from page to page in a 10-line format view. You can also use this to add lines quickly to your worksheet by dragging and dropping and holding the cursor down. If you're satisfied with your changes and want to go back to the standard layout, click Edit Worksheet again and go back to the same place. Simply toggle the on to off. Hit Save Changes, and you'll see that all changes that you made in the grid system layout are now available in your standard worksheet layout. This vendor change copied down, and Mondays were removed. This is available again in broadcast television, cable television, and radio worksheets, making edits simple, quick, and batch edits a breeze.